Hello, and welcome to an explanation of the final task for Algebra Unit 1, Concept 1. We are looking at something called scenario. We are going to be using our 3 read practices and unlocking the prompt in order to answer this question. I want you to look through, complete your 3 reads, and unlock this prompt before we go and have this discussion as a class on Friday. So, I'm going to do one read through just to make sure that you understand. Expressions are used to make calculations and model situations. Expressions can be written in many different ways. They can be expanded to show every specific value separately, or they can be written in different equivalent forms to highlight certain values or to group them together. It is important to know how and why an expression will be used, as this will help you determine an appropriate form to use to write the expression. So, the directions for students. The expression 1.075 times 5.25x minus 5.25 times 0.25 times x minus 3 can be used to represent real-world situations involving percentages. Describe a scenario that can be represented by the expression above. Be sure to explain what each part of the expression, each term, factor, coefficient, etc., represents in terms of the scenario. So please begin doing your 3-read strategy, putting your notes for each of the reads, you're unlocking the prompt, and be ready to discuss this on Friday. Thank you.